Welcome to Conicelli Hyundai. We ship genuine OEM Hyundai parts straight from our dealership to your door. Today we're looking at the 2018 to 2023 Hyundai Kona front right and left splash guard mud flap set, a genuine OEM pair that mounts behind your front wheels to block road debris before it ever reaches your paint. These splash guards fit 2018 through 2023 Hyundai Kona models, including the SE, SEL, Limited, and Ultimate trims. Your 2018 to 2023 Kona's front splash guards shield the lower body panels and rocker areas from gravel, salt spray, and slush kicked up by the front tires. Without them, that constant debris chips paint and accelerates rust along the wheel arches and door sills. Genuine OEM Hyundai guards match the Kona's exact fender contour, so they seal flush without flapping or leaving gaps that aftermarket units typically leave behind. Shop our full catalog of genuine OEM Hyundai parts at Conicelli. Every order backed by manufacturer warranty, a fitment guarantee, and fast shipping nationwide. Not sure if this part fits your Kona? Give us a call with your VIN ready and we'll confirm the right part the first time. You'll find your VIN on the driver's side dashboard, inside the door jamb, or on your registration card. 17 digits that identify your exact vehicle. Shop with Conicelli Hyundai, genuine parts every time. Don't settle for aftermarket.